The technical, strategic, and societal dimensions of the J-36's development and its broader implications. 1. Introduction: the next frontier in air combat. Overview of 6th-generation fighter jets. Define what constitutes a 6th-generation fighter jet, focusing on the technological advancements and the shift in design philosophy. China's growing aerospace ambitions. Analyze China's emergence as a leading player in military aviation and why the J-36 is a milestone in its strategy. Broader context. Discuss how the J-36 fits into the global arms race and its potential to reshape air combat and international relations. 2. The J-36 fighter jet, a technical marvel. Design and structure, tailless design. Explore the aerodynamic benefits and stealth implications. Wide nose and sensor capacity, the role of powerful radars and multiple sensors in modern warfare. Engine configuration, the implications of 3WS10C engines for power, redundancy, and reliability. Stealth technology, how design elements like top-mounted intakes and reduced radar cross-sections enhance survivability in contested airspaces. Flight performance, high-speed, high-altitude capabilities, and their relevance to future combat scenarios. Human-machine interface. The inclusion of 2 pilots and how advanced avionics facilitate decision-making in complex missions. 3. Beyond traditional air combat. Command and control hub. The J-36 as the centerpiece of an integrated combat network coordinating UAVs, satellites, and other assets. Strategic strike capabilities, how long-range missile capabilities and precision targeting redefine the role of fighter jets. Defensive and offensive potential, balancing stealth and firepower to disrupt enemy defenses and execute strategic missions. 4. Integration with drones and UAVs, the role of CH-5, Winglong 2, and Skyhawk drones. Tactical capabilities of these drones and their complementary role in the J-36 network. Examples of reconnaissance, precision strikes, and intelligence gathering. Real-time data sharing, how drones and the J-36 share information to create a dynamic and responsive combat system. Future of drone swarms. Envisioning coordinated attacks with AI-driven drone swarms led by manned platforms like the J-36. 5. Impacts on modern warfare, redefining air superiority. How the J-36 challenges traditional notions of dogfighting and establishes a new paradigm in air combat. Shaping military strategy. The implications of integrated combat systems for operational planning and execution, global arms race. How the J-36 influences other nations' military modernization efforts, particularly the US, Russia, and European powers.
6. Future applications and civilian impacts. Advancements in aerospace technology, how innovations in stealth, propulsion, and avionics could trickle down to civilian aviation. Economic implications, the growth of China's defense industry and its influence on global aerospace markets. Dual-use technology, potential non-military applications of technologies developed for the J-36, such as AI and advanced sensors. 7. Geopolitical implications, regional dynamics in Asia-Pacific, how the J-36 affects power balances in the South China Sea, Taiwan Strait, and beyond. Impact on global alliances, the response of NATO, QUAD, and other alliances to China's advancements in military aviation. China's soft power strategy, leveraging the J-36 as a symbol of technological and military prowess to influence global perceptions. 8. Ethical and environmental considerations, ethical concerns of autonomous systems, the risks of integrating AI in combat systems, including accountability and unintended consequences. Environmental impacts, the carbon footprint of producing and testing advanced fighter jets, their role in global sustainability debates. Military transparency, the challenges of balancing secrecy with global security concerns. 9. Speculative futures, Air combat in 2050 evolution of air warfare. What sixth-generation fighter jets like the J-36 reveal about the future of air combat, space and aerial integration, the potential role of satellites and space-based platforms in supporting aircraft like the J-36, AI-dominated battlefields, how autonomous systems might redefine the relationship between human pilots and machines. 10. Current and future impacts on our lives enhance national security. How innovations in military aviation can contribute to global and regional stability, boost to technological innovation, spillover effects on industries like AI, aerospace, and telecommunications, shaping public perception, the role of advanced military technology in fostering national pride and technological aspiration, potential risks, concerns about escalation, arms races, and the unintended consequences of deploying advanced weapon systems. Conclusion: the dual edge of innovation, J-36 is not just a fighter jet. It represents a leap in military strategy, technology, and geopolitical influence. Its design philosophy and intended role highlight the shift toward integrated combat systems where manned and unmanned platforms operate in synergy, while its full capabilities remain shrouded in secrecy. The J-36 exemplifies the broader trend of leveraging technology to redefine the future of warfare. Its impact will extend far beyond the battlefield, influencing global politics, technological development, and even the way we conceive of national security.
A detailed research, analytical depth, and historical comparisons to provide comprehensive insights. 1. The next frontier in air combat. Overview of sixth-generation fighter jets. Definition and criteria that differentiate sixth-generation fighter jets from previous generations. Historical evolution from first-generation jets, for example, MiG-15 to fifth-generation ones, for example, F-20 to Raptor. Characteristics like stealth, advanced sensors, AI integration, and network-centric warfare. China's aerospace ambitions. A detailed account of China's rise in military aviation since the Cold War. Key milestones such as the development of the J-20 and J-31, leading up to the J-36. Economic and political motivations behind China's investments in defense technology. Broader context: the global arms race in the 21st century and its implications for geopolitics. Comparison with the US NGAD Next Generation Air Dominance Program and Russia's 6th Gen projects. The strategic importance of air superiority in modern and future conflicts. 2. The J-36 fighter jet, a technical marvel, design and structure. Tailless design, deep dive into aerodynamics, stealth advantages, and trade-offs in agility. Wide nose and sensor capacity. Importance of housing large radar systems and advanced sensors for situational awareness. Engine configuration, analysis of the WS-10C engines emphasizing power, reliability, and efficiency. Stealth technology, how radar cross-sections are minimized through design and materials. Advanced coatings and composites that reduce visibility to electromagnetic waves. Comparison with stealth capabilities of the F-22, F-35, and Su-57. Flight performance, examination of speed, altitude, and range capabilities. How these factors enable the J-36 to perform long-range missions in contested airspace. Simulations of its operational scenarios. Human-machine interface, role of advanced avionics, heads-up displays HUDs, and augmented reality for pilots. Benefits of a two-pilot system for mission adaptability and workload sharing. Future implications of AI co-pilots or fully autonomous flight modes. 3. Beyond traditional air combat. Command and control hub. The J-36's role as a central node in a combat network. Integration with AWACS, ground stations, and naval assets for real-time data sharing. Hypothetical battle scenarios showcasing its role in coordinating multi-domain operations. Strategic strike capabilities. Analysis of long-range missile systems, including air-to-air and air-to-ground capabilities. The J-36 as a platform for hypersonic weapons and its strategic implications. Its stealth and precision are critical. Defensive and offensive potential. Defensive measures like electronic warfare systems and countermeasures. Offensive roles, including preemptive strikes on enemy defenses and infrastructure. J-36 balances stealth and firepower in modern warfare. 4. Integration with drones and UAVs, the role of CH-5, Winglong-2, and Skyhawk drones. Detailed specifications and operational histories of these UAVs. How each complements the J-36 in reconnaissance, strike, and support roles. Real-world examples of coordinated drone operations. Real-time data sharing, advances in secure communication links and AI-driven data processing. Importance of latency reduction and encryption for battlefield coordination. Examples of how real-time intelligence enhances mission effectiveness. Future of drone swarms, the evolution of AI-driven drone swarms and their tactical advantages. Potential for drones to act autonomously under J-36 command. Ethical considerations in deploying fully autonomous systems in combat. 5. Impacts on modern warfare, redefining air superiority. Historical shift from dogfights to network-centric warfare. How the J-36 fits into the new paradigm of air dominance. Hypothetical scenarios comparing traditional and modern approaches to air combat. Shaping military strategy, influence on China's regional and global military strategies. Integration into broader doctrines like anti-access, area denial A2, AD. Future strategies enabled by technologies like hypersonic weapons and AI. Global arms race, analysis of how the J-36 influences rival nations' defense programs. Examination of defense budgets and priorities in response to China's advancements. Potential for new military alliances or escalations in contested regions. 6. Future applications and civilian impacts, advancements in aerospace technology. Potential for sixth-generation jet innovations to influence civilian aircraft design. Implications for commercial aviation such as stealthier, more fuel-efficient planes. Role in space exploration and satellite technology. Economic implications, growth of China's aerospace industry and its impact on global markets. Job creation, technology exports, and industrial advancements. Competition with Western aerospace giants like Boeing and Lockheed Martin. Dual-use technology, exploration of non-military applications such as disaster response and environmental monitoring. Ethical considerations in repurposing military technology for civilian use. Potential for collaboration between defense and commercial sectors. 7. Geopolitical implications, regional dynamics in Asia-Pacific. How the J-36 changes the power balance in the South China Sea and Taiwan Strait. Response from neighboring countries like Japan, India, and South Korea. Role in China's territorial ambitions and maritime strategy. Impact on global alliances, reactions from NATO, the QUAD, and other international alliances. How the J-36 influences defense cooperation and arms trade agreements. Case studies of military exercises and strategic planning in response to Chinese advancements. China's soft power strategy, use of military technology to project strength and influence globally. How the J-36 contributes to China's narrative as a technological leader. Potential for arms exports and partnerships with developing nations. 8. Ethical and environmental considerations, ethical concerns of autonomous systems. Risks of AI in warfare, including accountability and unintended escalation. International laws and treaties governing the use of autonomous weapons. Debate over human oversight in life and death decisions. Environmental impacts, carbon footprint of developing and operating advanced fighter jets. Impact of military aviation on climate change and resource consumption. Potential for greener technologies in future aircraft development. Military transparency, balancing secrecy with global security and public accountability. Implications of classified projects for trust and diplomacy. Case studies of transparency versus secrecy in defense programs. 9. Speculative futures, air combat in 2050, evolution of air warfare. predictions for 7th-generation fighters and their capabilities, integration of AI, quantum computing, and directed energy weapons, hypothetical future conflicts and how air combat might evolve, space and aerial integration, role of space-based platforms in supporting next-gen fighter jets, potential for seamless integration between air and space forces, examples of combined operations involving satellites and aircraft, AI-dominated battlefields, future of AI in tactical decision-making and autonomous combat, ethical implications of fully autonomous air forces, scenarios where AI reshapes the dynamics of warfare. 10. Current and future impacts on our lives, enhanced national security. How advanced fighter jets contribute to stability and deterrence. Role in protecting critical infrastructure and national interests. Broader implications for global peace and conflict prevention. Boost to technological innovation, spillover effects of defense R&D into commercial industries. Examples of military tech influencing healthcare, transportation, and communication. Potential for breakthroughs in materials science and AI. Shaping public perception, how the J-36 influences national pride and public opinion.
Media portrayal in its role in shaping narratives about military power, ethical debates over defense spending and resource allocation, potential risks, concerns about escalation and the destabilizing effects of advanced weapons, risks of technology proliferation in arms races, long-term consequences for international relations and global security. China's J-36 stealth fighter, another blow to U.S. air superiority. Revealed crude stealth fighter, a great leap in Chinese air power that promises to redefine air combat dynamics. The future of warfare. In this compelling video, we explore the transformative impact of advanced military technologies, focusing on systems like the J-36 fighter jet. By analyzing its cutting-edge capabilities and stealth features, we uncover how such innovations redefine battlefield dynamics and global security. The discussion extends to the geopolitical implications of a world engaged in an arms race, highlighting alliances and rivalries that shape defense strategies. We also evaluate the role of public perception in these complex narratives and the future of warfare as innovators and thinkers collaborate to push technological boundaries. Join us as we navigate this intricate landscape of military evolution. The Chinese J-36 sixth-generation fighter jet, a game-changer for the future of warfare. J-36, China's newest sixth-generation fighter jet, represents a bold leap in military aviation. Its design and potential functionalities mark a departure from traditional air combat, signaling the arrival of a new era in warfare that prioritizes stealth, integration, and technology over brute force. Here's a summary of its groundbreaking features, implications, and futuristic potential. Current and future impacts on our lives. The J-36 is not just a military asset, it's a catalyst for technological innovation. Its development will push the boundaries of AI, materials science, and aerospace engineering, influencing both defense and civilian industries. However, it also raises concerns about escalating arms races, resource allocation, and the destabilizing effects of advanced weaponry. Conclusion: the J-36's legacy J-36 sixth-generation fighter jet signifies a turning point in global military aviation. Its design, capabilities, and integration into a broader combat system highlight China's strategic vision for modern warfare. While its exact role remains shrouded in secrecy, the J-36 is undoubtedly a harbinger of the future where air combat is defined by stealth, intelligence, and multi-domain coordination. This aircraft not only redefines how wars are fought but also challenges the global community to rethink the ethical, environmental, and geopolitical implications of technological advancements in defense. The J-36 is more than a fighter jet, it's a symbol of the technological arms race shaping the 21st century.
Thank you for watching. We're always happy to have you here. Please do subscribe, like and press that bell icon for us to notify you for our upcoming amazing videos. Also tell your friends and families by sharing this video. Remember, sharing is indeed a caring. Thank you again, and until the next video, have a good one.